Quick heads up before we start. Yesterday I promised you styles, teaching Claude your writing voice. The app has been moving fast, and that idea has grown into something bigger. It's called Memory, and it captures your voice and a whole lot more. Last time, projects remembered your context inside one folder. Memory does it everywhere automatically with no setup at all, right here in the Windows 11 app. As you chat, Claude quietly picks up useful things about you, your role, how you like your answers, the words you use. Then it reuses them in every new conversation. First, let's make sure it's on. Open Settings, find the Memory sections, and you'll see two switches. Turn on both. One lets Claude reference past chats, the other lets it save what it learns. Here's the part most people miss. You don't have to wait for Claude to figure you out. You can just tell it. In any chat, type the words "remember that," then whatever you want it to hold on to. I'll have a little fun with mine. Remember that I always end every message with the sign-off, "Stay crunchy, watch." Claude confirms it and saves that straight to memory. And you're always in control. Back in Settings, under Memory, you can see everything Claude remembers, edit any of it, or delete a single item with one click. Now the payoff. I'll start a brand new chat, completely blank, no project, no context. I'll ask for a quick thank you note to a customer and to sign it off the way I always do. Look at that. Claude pulls it straight from memory, writes the note, and signs off, "Stay crunchy." It remembered my goofy little rule without me repeating a single thing. That's Memory. Teach Claude about you once, and it remembers you in every chat. This is Zero to Claude, episode 4 on Windows 11. Tomorrow, Artifacts, where Claude builds a working tool right beside your chat. Subscribe and build your skills a few minutes a day.